Remove the accessories and the bicycle from the box. Remove the front wheel. Remove all protective elements. Install the handlebar. Remove the handlebar protections and take out the battery keys. Loosen the handlebar using a 6mm Allen key. It has an adjustable height limit. Center the handlebar and install the stem cover. Using a 6mm Allen key, loosen the handlebar bolt. Adjust it to the correct riding position and tighten it. Tighten the electric handlebar control unit using a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the hub protection and the axle and cap. Remove the mudguard protections. Remove the fork protector. Slightly loosen the wheel nuts and washers to install the wheel onto the bicycle frame. Correctly seat the axle, ensuring the anti-rotation washers are properly fitted into their slots. With the wheel centered, tighten firmly using a size 15 open-end wrench. Using a 5mm Allen key and a size 10 wrench, remove the pin bolt from the handlebar structure that holds the mudguard and position it. Install the front light into the mudguard and secure it with the pin bolt using a 5mm Allen key and a size 10 wrench until tightened. Using a 5mm Allen key, remove the lower screws that hold the mudguard. Insert the mudguard support rod and fit it back into place on both sides. Install the plastic covers on both sides. Using a 5mm Allen key, remove the 4 screws from the frame. Position the luggage rack. It has an integrated piece to hold the brake cable. Reinsert the screws and tighten them in a cross pattern. Attention! The pedals are marked. Screw the right pedal are clockwise. Screw the left pedal all counterclockwise. Tighten them using a size 15 open-end wrench. Adjust the saddle to the correct height at hip level and secure it. The saddle can be folded. Insert the battery key by pressing inward and turning. Fold the saddle to remove the battery for charging. The green LED indicates the battery is fully charged. An arrow shows how to insert the charging cable. The red LED indicates charging. Reinsert the battery through the guide behind the saddle. Press the M button to turn on the control display. View different usage data on the screen. Press the plus button to turn on the front and rear lights. Press the button to activate walk mode, which rotates the rear wheel to push the bicycle.